There are only 9 students here present right now. So, once again, good morning. So, we will start our class by discussing the SSLM week number 7. The new week na po ito, week number 7 of our quarter number 4. So, the title of our lesson is about the measures of variability of grouped and ungrouped data. So, the title is Measures of Variability. Okay, so what is this variability all about? So, measures of variability. So, we are now on week number 7. Again, week number 7 po. Last time, week number 6 po yung i-discuss natin, the mean, the median, and the mode. So, the objectives of this class is to illustrate the measures of variability such as the following. We have the range, we have the average deviation, the variance, and the standard deviation of the statistical data. So those things are, we are going to solve that one using the grouped and ungrouped data. Okay, let's begin with the definition of terms. So when you say measures of variability, it refers to the spread of the values about the mean. Spread, gaano daw siya kalawak. So gaano siya kalayo. For example, when you say mean kasi, yan din siya yung normal o yung average. So for example, yung average grade nyo is 89. Yan yung average grade nyo. So ang gusto nating malaman sa measures of variability, susukatin natin, for example, ang isa nyong classmate medyo mababa, 75. Ang isa nyong classmate naman medyo mataas, 96. Susukatin natin kung gaano daw sila kalayo galing kay normal, which is 89. Gaano daw kalayo ang 75 galing kay 89, gaano daw kalayo si 96 galing kay 89. Ang 89 po, yun yung mean natin, which is the normal score or the average score. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng measures of variability. Susukatin kung gaano kalayo sa normal score. Okay, range. Ano naman itong range? Range is the simplest measure of variability. When you say range, we will be solving or identifying the highest value minus the lowest value. Ibig sabihin, kung meron pong range of scores niyo sa grado, for example, 88, 89, 77, 96. Yung pinakamataas po, which is 96, at yung pinakamababa po, which is 77, isasubtract nyo yun siya. Highest value and lowest value. Yan po yung tinatawag na range. Okay, next, the mean deviation. But before that one, about the mean deviation, pag sinabi mong mean, kinukuha natin yun siya yung average. So anong difference nila sa mean deviation at saka ang mean lang alone? When you say mean deviation, it is the dispersion of the set of data about the average of the given data. Ibig sabihin, dispersion, gaano daw siya kalayo. Yung tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, gaano daw siya kalayo, dispersed, gaano siya kalawak, gaano siya hiwalay-hiwalay, gaano siya kadikit-dikit, parang ganon. Okay? Yan po yung mean deviation. Anong difference nila ngayon? So, let's have this formula. So, the mean deviation, allow me to use D for the deviation, has the following formula. I-add daw natin yung absolute value ng given na data minus ng mean, then i-divide daw natin sa total number of population. Again, paano ito basahin? I-add daw natin ang given na data minus daw sa mean, tapos kunin ang absolute value nun, tapos i-divide sa total number of population. Hindi nyo siya maintindihan kung ganito lang yung ipipicture out natin. So, i-example ko siya. So, I would like you to let's have this example of Linda's scores in mathematics. So, allow me to erase this. So, Linda's score in mathematics quiz are as follows. We have 5, 19, 16, 10, 24, 26, 29, 30, and 39. Do you have a copy of week number 7, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you bring them out so that you could have a clear view of what is I'm trying to say with this. So we are going to solve for the range and the average deviation. But before we begin, I would like you to arrange the given into an order which is from lowest to the highest. So this is the given. So example na tayo. I-arrange natin. The first number is 5. Next, we have 10. What do you think will comes next?
16.
Yes, we have 16. Next,
19.
19. Next,
24.
24. Next,
26.
next,
29.
29. Next, 30. And the last one is
39.
okay, double check. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tingnan nyo sa problem kung 9 din ba sila lahat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So tama, 9 po yun lahat. Okay, i-arrange natin siya. Yan po yung given. Okay, the first thing to do is we are going to find the range. Meaning, the highest value, which is 39, minus the lowest value, which is 5, equals 34. Yan na po yung sagot. Okay, ibig sabihin, ang lawak or ang layo ng pinakamataas sa pinakamababa is 34 points. So napaka layo talaga. So kung titingnan ninyo, the highest score siguro nito is 40 or the perfect score siguro nito is 40. Ibig sabihin, yung pinakamababa niya na score is minus 34 nung kanyang pinakamataas. Yun lang po ibig sabihin ng range. Makikita mo dyan kung gaano kalayo ang kanyang score sa pinakamataas. Okay? Next, the number 2 is the mean deviation. Mean deviation. So when you say mean deviation, i-add lang po natin sila. So mean is equals to, i-add natin lahat. So we have 5 plus 10 plus 16 plus 19 plus 24 plus 26 plus 29 plus 30 plus 39. And i-divide natin kung ilan sila lahat. That is equivalent to 9. Tama? So 9 man yung binilang natin kanina. So pag i-add natin ng 5 plus 10 plus 16 plus 19, 24 and 26, 29, 30, and 39, the answer is 198. I-divide mo yan kay 9, the answer is 22. Therefore, ang mean natin is 22. Okay? Ganun lang po yun pag-solve ng mean deviation. Okay, nakuha nyo na? Range, i-minus ang highest score sa lowest score. Ang mean deviation naman po, kukunin lang, i-add lang lahat ng given, i-divide sa kung ilan sila. That is the mean deviation. Anong pinagkaiba nito sa mean natin nung nakaraan? Wala po silang pinagkaiba actually. So, mean deviation, binago lang ang pangalan. Mean deviation ang tawag kapag pinag-uusapan natin ang measures of variability. Pero pag pinag-uusapan naman natin ang measures of central tendency, mean lang po ang tawag nun. Okay, yun po yung pinagkaiba. Okay, the next one is find the absolute difference between each score. So, absolute difference. Buburahin ko muna. Are we done with this? Nakuha na ba natin yung mean deviation? Wala pa po. Mean pa lang po ang nasolve natin dito. So, kumbaga ito yung step 1. Step 1. Next, step 2 tayo sa ating mean deviation. Allow me to erase this. So, tandaan nyo, 22 na po yung sagot natin sa mean. Next, step number 2 for our mean deviation. That is for letter B. Kukunin natin yung absolute value. Okay? So, the first given is 5. Tama? So, 5. Para kuan class, para hindi kayo malito, ganito na lang ang gagawin ko. The summation of the absolute value of x minus mean. Okay? So, equals. Okay, ganito yung gagawin natin. Yung unang given is 5. I-minus mo, ilan yung mean natin kanina? 22. So, absolute value. Lagyan agad ng 2 bars. Ibig sabihin ng 2 bars, kahit negative yung sagot mo, magiging positive siya. Kukunin lang yung positive na sagot. The next given is 10. Minus 22. Tapos, the next given is 16 plus 16 minus 22. Okay, continuation natin. Tapos, ang next given is 19. 19 minus 22. Last ulit. The next given is 24 minus 22. Last ulit. The next given is 26 minus 22. Okay, the next given is 29. So, lipat ko na dito. 29 minus 22. The next given is 30 minus 22. The next given is 39 minus 22. Okay. So, isosolve na natin. Lagyan natin ng equals dito. So, 5 minus 22. Pag binawasan mo ng 5 at saka negative 22, sino mas malaki? Si 5 ba or si 22?
22 po.
22. Anong sign ni 22? Is it negative or positive?
Positive.
Minus. Take note, minus. 5 minus 22. Anong sign ni 22? That is minus 22. That is negative. Kasi nga po, minus 22 siya. So, ibig sabihin negative ang sagot natin dito. Pero, since nakalagay ang absolute value, hindi daw po negative ang isusulat, kundi yung positive lang niya. So, 5 minus 22, that is 17 or negative 17. Kinuha mo yung positive nun, magiging 17 na lang siya. Plus, 10 minus 22, magiging 12. Plus, 16 minus 22, magiging 6. Plus, 19 minus 22, magiging 3. Next, 24 minus 22 magiging 2 plus 29 minus 22, 29 minus 22, that is 7 plus 30 minus 22 magiging 8 plus 39 minus 22 magiging 17. Okay, 13, 12, 6, 3, 2, 7, 8, and 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kulang ng isa. Ulit natin. 5 minus 22, 17. 10 minus 22, 12. 16 minus 22, that is 6. 19 minus 22, that is 3. Tapos, 24 minus 22, that is 2. Tapos, 26 minus 22, that is 4. Okay, ilan kulang? Kita ko na. 4. Then, 29 minus 22, that is 7. Plus, 30 minus 22, that is 8. Plus, 39 minus 22, that is 17. Okay. Tapos, i-add nyo ito lahat. And the answer, kapag i-add nyo siya lahat, the answer is, dito ko na lang isulat sa taas class ha, 76. Okay. May equals pa yan sa baba, equals 76. Di na kasi magkasya. So, ganun po yun. So, the answer there is equals 76. So, ano ngayon ang kinalaman ng 76 na yan sa ating mean deviation? So, take a look at this. Letter C na tayo, part C. Allow me to erase this. Tandaan nyo, 76 ang nasolve natin. Burahin natin. Next, letter C. So, for letter C, we have mean deviation na. Isa-solve na natin. Mean deviation is equals to the sum of the absolute value of x minus mean divided by the total number of population. Again, ilan po yung gisolve natin kanina? Yung sa step 2, that is how many? Yung letter B. Again, ilan po yung nasolve natin? Yung sa letter B, in step 2.
76 po.
Yes, we have 76. Ilan gani sila lahat pag binilang mo? Yung data, ilan lahat yung data? That is 9. So kapag i-divide natin sa 76 at saka 9, the answer is 8.77. And this is now our mean deviation. So our mean deviation is now 8.77. Therefore, the score, kaninong score gani ito? Balikan natin yung problem. The score, Linda's score has an average mean deviation, has a mean deviation MD of 8.77. So yan na po yung sagot natin. Therefore, Linda's score has a mean deviation of 8.77. So that is how to solve the mean deviation. First part, kunin ang mean. I-add lahat, i-divide sa kung ilan sila. Second part, kunin ang absolute value. So, yun siya, yung kanina yung mahaba masyado. And the third part is, kung ano yung absolute value, i-divide lang sa kung ilan sila ulit. And that is now the mean deviation. Okay. In this case, I would like you to solve for the mean deviation of this example. For a while. Okay, I would like you to solve the mean deviation of or the average deviation of activity number 1, which is the problem about Minda who bought balls with different diameters, whose measures are as follows. The first measure is 12, 13, 15, 15, 16, and 18. Bumili daw siya ng bola. Kaso lang, pag sinukat niya daw yung diameter galing sa gitna ay sa kabilang dulo ng bola papunta sa kabilang dulo, ang sukat is 12, 13, 15, 15, 16, 18. Gusto niya ngayon malaman kung ano ang mean deviation nito. Okay? So, ang gagawin ninyo for activity number 1, allow me to erase this. So, ang activity number 1, kukunin nyo yung range. Number 2, kunin nyo yung mean deviation. Okay? Merong 3 steps yun siya. Ang first step is the mean. Kukunin nyo yung mean. Ang second step, yung the absolute value. Yung sinabi kong sa inyo, kunin ang positive. And the third step is kunin nyo yung mean deviation. Okay? I would like you to solve for that one. May mga questions po ba before we proceed? Before we end? Okay, so kung meron po kayong question, wag po kayong mahiya. Pwede po kayong mag-leave na yung sa mga nakaintindi. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaintindi, pwede po kayong hindi mag-leave at magtanong. Okay? Goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.
Salamat, sir.
Bye po.
Goodbye and thank you po, sir.
Sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Zid?